Here's a look at the left side of my 75-gallon CO2 injected tank. You can see in particular that the jungle val is making a terrific backdrop behind the rocks on the left. Amongst that there is water wisteria, an octopus, Hygrophila corymbosa cherry leaf variant, and green water lily. And to the right you can see that the Amazon sword plants are really appreciating the CO2. In the front center of the scape there's a few Amazon swords, and the pink flamingo is maintaining a pinkish hue. I haven't had much success with Alternanthera renecki, and Ludwigia repens does seem to lose the reddish hue even in the CO2 injected tank. It may be that the jungle val exudes allelochemicals detrimental to the species, but there is some Ludwigia in this bunch of plants that has reverted to the green coloration, but I think it looks quite nice. On the right side of the scape I moved the green water lily to the front of the rocks, and also the jungle val, and I think it looks very nice there. Overall, I'm very pleased with the way this CO2 injected tank is turning out. The floor is doing fantastic, and the peaceful inhabitants are right happy. Last night I attended a meeting of my local fish club, and after the guest speaker, who spoke on Buna cichlids from Lake Malawi in Africa, there was an auction, and one breeder had on offer 5 forktail rainbow fish. I wanted to acquire this species for some time. I was very pleased to get these 5 young specimens for a mere $7. The bilateral of the forktail rainbow fish is Pseudomugil furcatus, as they tend to swim near the surface of the water. They're good top feeders, and I'm sure they will enjoy feedings of live brine shrimp nauplii while they're this small. They're not finicky eaters and are quite hardy, very peaceful. And I've heard that they're relatively easy to breed, so I am hopeful that I can simply move the adults to a different tank, and then perhaps eggs will survive in the previous tank. One can use a spawning mop, but I find those unsightly. I'm not so much into breeding fish. I'm more interested in aquascaping, keeping the tanks looking nice.